A long time ago, one of the most pretty.
तुम्ही म्यूट आहे कसे
A long time ago, one of the.
येत आहे सर ऐकू.
ऐकू येत आहे का रे?
येत आहे सर.
हे जास्त सांगून राहिले मला. जे आईनं बंद करून ठेवलं मला म्हणजे ऐकू. बरं बेटा, एक मिनिट. अभी क्या करेंगे, इसको फिर से देखेंगे. हाँ,
The necklace.
येते.
A long time ago, one of the most pretty and charming girls was born. Her grace and beauty was so great that she was meant to live a luxurious life, wearing beautiful clothes, expensive jewelry, and residing in a big mansion. She could have easily been taken as a lady of great wealth. But it seemed that fate played a trick on her, and she was born into a poor family. They had no dowry for her. She finally married a little clerk, Loisel, in the Ministry of Education. Madame Loisel, as she came to be called, was very unhappy with her life. She believed that though she was born beautiful and clever, fate, by not making her born in a rich household and married into a richer one, had played a cruel joke. She imagined vast salons decorated with antique silks, exquisite pieces of furniture supporting priceless ornaments, where she could give big parties. She wished for a life that would complement her beauty. And when she and her husband sat down for dinner, while her husband exclaimed delightedly,
"Aha! What could be better?"
She imagined delicate meals served on silver plates. No fine clothes, no jewels, nothing. And these were the only things she loved. She had a rich friend, an old school friend, whom she refused to visit because she felt sorry for herself after meeting her own friend. One evening, her husband came home with an exultant air, holding a large envelope in his hand.
"Here's something for you,"
he said. Swiftly, she tore the paper and drew out a printed card on which were these words: "The Minister of Education and Madame Ramponneau request the pleasure of the company of Monsieur and Madame Loisel at the Ministry on the evening of Monday, January the 18th. Instead of being delighted, as her husband hoped, she flung the invitation across the table, murmuring, "What do you want me to do with this?"
"Why, darling, I thought you'd be pleased. You never go out, and this is a great occasion. I had tremendous trouble to get it. Everybody wants one. It's very select, and very few go to the clerks. You'll see all the really big people there."
She looked at him out of furious eyes and said, "And what do you suppose I am to wear at such an affair?" He stammered,
"Why, the dress you go to the theater in. It looks very nice to me."
Madame Loisel started to cry.
"What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you?"
he asked hesitantly. She replied, "Nothing. Only I can't go to this party as I don't have anything to wear." The husband was heartbroken.
"Look here, Mathilde,"
he persisted.
"How much would a nice but simple dress cost?"
She thought for several seconds, thinking how much money she could make her husband give her without him refusing. At last she replied, "I don't know exactly, but I think I could do it with 400 francs. He grew slightly pale, for this was exactly the amount he had been saving for a gun. Nevertheless, he said,
"Very well. I'll give you 400 francs.
The day of the party drew near, and Madame Loisel seemed anxious. One evening, her husband said to her,
"What's the matter with you? You've been behaving very oddly.
I'm utterly miserable because I don't have any jewelry to wear with it,
How stupid you are.
exclaimed her husband.
Go and see Madame Forestier, your friend, and ask her to lend you some jewels. You know her quite well enough for that.
She exclaimed, "That's true. I never thought of it." Next day, she went to see her friend and told her trouble. Madame Forestier took Madame Loisel to her dressing room and said, "Choose, my dear." Madame Loisel finally chose a superb diamond necklace which she wore with her gown. She was the center of attraction at the party. Everyone noticed her. All the men wanted to dance with her. All the ladies praised her. She received many compliments. Madame Loisel felt truly happy and thankful for the first time in her life. When they reached home, she discovered that the borrowed diamond necklace was missing. They looked everywhere but could not find it. Scared of going to the prison, they sold everything they had and borrowed money to raise 36,000 francs to buy a replacement. The husband worked 2 jobs. They shifted to a smaller house, and Madame Loisel, who had dreams of a luxurious life, had to do her own work. She came to know what abject poverty meant. In 10 years, they were able to pay back all the money they had borrowed. By then, she lost all her beauty and looked older. What would have happened if she had never lost those jewels? Who knows? Who knows? How strange life is, how fickle, how little is needed to ruin or to save. One day, she saw her old friend, Madame Forestier, walking with her daughter. She was still beautiful and graceful. Madame Loisel decided to go and meet her friend and tell her about what happened. "Good morning, Jean." The other did not recognize her. "I am Mathilde Loisel." "Oh, my poor Mathilde, how you have changed." "Yes, I've had some hard times since I saw you last, and many sorrows, and all on your account." "On my account? How was that?" "You remember the diamond necklace you lent me for the ball at the ministry?" "Yes, well, I lost it." "How could you? Why, you brought it back." "I brought you another one just like it, and for the last 10 years, we have been paying for it. You realize it wasn't easy for us. We had no money. Well, it's paid for at last." Madame Forestier had halted. "You say you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine." And she smiled in proud and innocent happiness. Madame Forestier, deeply moved, took her 2 hands. "Oh, my poor Mathilde! But mine was an imitation. It was worth at the very most 500 francs.
Okay, children, did you enjoy? Did you enjoy the video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope you liked it also. Now let's move towards our question answer session. We will discuss few questions here. Okay, children, see the first question. How did Matilda get the jewel to wear at the ball?
She borrowed it from Madame Forestier.
Yes, she borrowed it from her friend, childhood friend, Madame Forestier. Correct. What happened to the ball? What was Matilda's dream fulfilled? What happened to the ball?
Yes, her dream was fulfilled because she was appreciated by many of the people there.
Okay. How was she appreciated by many people? For example?
He had word gracious dress and ornaments.
Okay. Okay, then?
People had come to her, presented themselves to her.
Very good.
She was cynosure of one eye there.
Yes, very good. Correct. Then everybody wanted to dance with her. And all the women praised her for her beauty, for her elegance, for her graciousness, right? In this way, we can say that it was the life, her dreams, it was her dream to have such an enjoyment in the life, and it was fulfilled in that party. Very good. Next question. Why did Matilda not want to be noticed by the ladies after the ball?
Because her husband all had the ladies were wearing.
Yes. Yes.
Costly furs. But in contrast,
okay,
Matilda's husband had covered her with a fur like the poor's.
It was not fur. It was an ordinary shawl. Her husband, hai na? It was an ordinary simple shawl, and fur were worn by those ladies. And that's why she did not want. It was not matching. Her simple shawl was not matching with her costly costume, and that's why she wanted the other ladies not. She wanted not to be noticed by all the other rich ladies. That's why she was in a hurry to go away from the party very quickly when she came out. Right? Is it clear? This question was asked last year in a CBSE examination. Next, what was it that spoiled Matilda's happiness? Now, this question will be answered by somebody else apart from Roshan and who was Ashwatya. Somebody else will give the answer. What was it that spoiled? Spoiled means destroyed Matilda's happiness. We saw that she was very happy when she came back, but her happiness was short-lived. वो कम समय के लिए रहा था. What had happened? Who will answer this question? Now, Sanskrishna, you answer.
Yes, sir. When Matilda reached her house, she found that the necklace was not on her neck.
Okay. Yes, she had lost her necklace, and in this way, her happiness was spoiled. Very good, beta. Huh? Next question will be answered by who will answer from the girl side? So, I don't know who are there in the meeting, but Shreya must be there. Shreya Dukre will answer this question. What did Loisel do to replace the necklace?
Sir, she borrowed another diamond necklace which cost 36,000 francs.
Repeat once again.
She borrowed another diamond necklace which cost 36,000 francs.
No, she did not borrow. She actually purchased, right? Correct, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And what was the cost of that necklace?
36,000 francs.
And how did they get that money?
18,000 were.
Yes. He has purchased 18,000 from his father. And they had their own money, 18,000. Okay. Rest of the money?
And another 18,000 from money lenders.
Yes, money lenders. They took it on interest, higher rates of interest. Very good. And with that money, they they purchased another similar kind of necklace and replaced it. Very good. Now, Anuja, are you there? Anuja Tale? Arpita, are you there? Okay, Arya will tell now. Arya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next question you will answer. What changes came into the life of the Loisel after borrowing money?
After borrowing money, she worked too hard for purchase the necklace,
Okay,
and she came to know that what is the main poverty,
yes, very good. Okay,
and she thought that she was too happy before.
okay, okay, what changes had come? How did she working hard?
Hands become red. She used to sleep.
What had happened to her? What kind of work she was doing?
Utensils.
Gauri Dhavde, you continue this answer. Gauri Dhavde, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
okay, beta, isko continue karo. What kind of work she was doing?
She washed the dishes and she washed the dirty clothes.
Very
She's
good.
going to market
Very
and
good.
purchasing the things.
Yes. How was she purchasing the things? She fought for every penny, every sou. She was arguing with butchers. She was arguing with fruit sellers. She was arguing with what do you call grocer for what? To save a single penny. Penny means sou, jisko hum bolte last small amount of money she was doing. And again, what was she doing? What kind of work? Yes, washing clothes, drying clothes, washing her linen, and
Washing floor.
yes, continue. Washing the floor, right? Bringing water from the downstairs. And what her husband was doing? A Loisel means both Loisel, Mrs. and Mr. Loisel. अब आपने Mrs. Loisel के बारे में बताया. What happened to Mr. Loisel? How he was doing?
Mr. Loisel done the office work at daytime and at night. He was working for the merchant by
Yes, very-
copying the books for him
Yes, for copying. And how much money he was
at a
getting?
rate of
5
francs per page.
per page. Yes, this is the real answer. Means you have to tell both the you have to talk about both Mr. and Mrs. Loisel's life, right? After borrowing money. In this way, their life had changed. Again, what had happened? Where were they living now? कहाँ रह रहे थे? Where had they
They were
shifted?
living in a small attic.
Yes, they had started living in a small attic where they had rented small attic, and they had sent away the maid also. Maid was also not there with them now. Okay, very good. Now let's see next question. Next question. Harshali Chavan, are you there? Harshali is not there. Okay, Gauri,
Sir.
are you there? Harshali? आवाज येता का तुला बेटा? ओके, नाही येत आहे. कार्तिक जोगदंड, देखिए अगर आवाज आती है तो बेटा you must try to answer the question. Even if you are unable, no problem. Okay, Kranti Raut, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kranti, see the first question. Why did Jenny not recognize her friend? Jenny means Madam Forrester. Why did she not recognize her? पहचान क्यों नहीं पाई थी वो?
Because of she was very tired, looking tired,
Okay. Old. She was looking
and
poor.
before
Huh? Yes.
and also she before that incident she was very pretty, and now she her look was very changed.
Very good. Correct. You are right. She has completely changed now. Her beauty had gone. And as she was actually meeting her after 10 years, and before 10 years, she was extremely beautiful. And now her life had completely changed. She was wearing very simple clothes. Her beauty had gone. She was not taking care of her physical beauty, for example, or her hair. Clothes were where her tone had changed, voice had changed. So these changes had come in the physical beauty of Madam Loisel. That's why her friend could not recognize her. Very good. Next question. What is the twist at the end of the story, the necklace? Now, Ashwatya, you will tell answer of this question. What is the twist at the end? Twist का मतलब क्या? क्या twist आता है इसमें एकदम at the end of the story, the necklace में?
Suspense.
Yes.
All the efforts and hard work done by Loisels had no value because that necklace was false.
Yes, necklace was false. The lost necklace was false. And what had she done?
And she had worked hard for 10 years to repay that new necklace.
Yes. And yes, correct.
It was not worth over 500.
And then she found that it was not worth of only 5,000. It was the worth of only 5,500 francs. And if she had known it earlier, her life would not have been ruined. And she would not have worked for so much years. And this was the twist. Even though she worked very hard, it was of no use. It was of no value, right? That is the twist at the end of the story. Very nice. Good answer. Next question, we will see. The course of the Loisel's life changed due to the necklace. Roshan, you will answer. The course of the Loisel's life changed due to the necklace. This question can also be asked for 100 words. लॉन्ग आंसर भी इसको पूछा जाता है, तो आपको देखना है फॉर हाउ मेनी मार्क्स द क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड. इफ इट इज फॉर 2-3 मार्क्स यू हैव टू राइट इन अ short answer. 64 words.
Yes,
46. Now just answer this. The course of the Loisel's life changed due to the necklace. Why?
The course of the Loisel's life changed due to the necklace. To be more particular, the life of Mr. and Mrs. Loisel had changed a lot. Before the incident of this necklace, they were living in a good situation. Mrs. Matilda was pretty looking. Her husband managed to give her the happiness, but after she had lost the necklace,
Yes.
it had ruined their whole life.
Yes.
Mrs. Matilda sacrificed her whole aspirations and dreams which she had thought of earlier. She was now completely transformed from a pretty woman to a ugly one.
Yes, very good. Correct.
And contrary to the previous situations, nowadays she was working very hard. She was washing dirty clothes. She was purchasing things from the market. She was washing the floors, and she was doing all the tedious works which was done by a maid.
Correct.
And now also they had also abandoned the luxuries and all the comforts they had got before the incident of this necklace.
Very good. Right. Yes. So I think your answer is absolutely correct. Right. Now, very good. Next question will be answered by Sakshi Godbole. Sakshi, are you there? Sakshi.
Yes, sir.
आवाज येत आहे बेटा?
Yes, sir.
बघ, बहुतेक तुला नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम आहे तुझ्याकडं. काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. रेवत, आर यू देअर? रेवत, तुला आवाज येत आहे का? ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम. प्राची गोटी, प्राची तुला आवाज येतोय?
Sir.
ओके, हा क्वेश्चन सांग बरं. व्हॉट वॉज द कॉज ऑफ माटिल्डाज रुइन एंड हाउ कुड शी हैव अवॉइडेड इट? उसका जो रुइन मतलब जो उसकी जो लाइफ खराब हुई थी, उसका कॉज तो हमको सबको पता है, और वो कैसे बचा सकती थी उसको? हाउ कुड शी हैव अवॉइडेड इट? कैसे टाल सकती थी?
Sir, her life was ruined because of the necklace she lost. If she doesn't borrow the necklace, she can avoid it.
Yes, she could have avoided it if she had not borrowed it. Or for example, if और दूसरा ये भी हो सकता है, if she had told the truth to her friend that she had lost it, this could have also saved her life also. It could have not ruined her life also if she had told the confessed, जिसको हम बोलते हैं, the fact to her friend. Okay, very good answer. Now next question: what would have happened to Matilda if she had confessed to her friend that she had lost her necklace? ये आंसर हम इसको देखिए. It based on your thinking. What do you think? If she had confessed to her friends, what would have happened? Atharva, you tell. Ashwatya, what would have happened to Matilda if she had confessed to her friend that she had lost her necklace?
Mrs. Matilda would tell, Mrs. Matilda would forgive her.
Yes.
And might she have told her the truth about that necklace?
Yes. Yes, she would have told her that. Yes. Yes. Speak. Continue.
And they would continue their friendship forever.
Yes, it was possible that if she had told, she would have told her that it is just cost the 500 francs, and it was easy for them to buy a new necklace similar to that. Even if she wanted it, अगर उसको चाहती थी वापस, तो they could have easily bought it for 500 francs. It was not too much difficult for them. And दूसरा ये भी था, she was so rich that she might have said, okay, no problem. She might have forgiven her too. Two things were possible if she had told her friend that she had lost the necklace. Last question we will discuss. If you were caught in a situation like this, how would you have dealt with it? देखिए इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आते हैं. If you were caught in such a situation like this, how would you have dealt with it? Now this answer will be answered by, this question will be answered by Virapund. Vira, you can answer from there. Yes, there. Yeah, you take your mobile.
If I would be caught in
yes, speak. No problem. Speak. Give the answer.
If I would be caught in such situation, I would not hesitate, and I would tell my friend that I have lost your necklace, and I would ask her if she would forgive me or should I replace it.
Okay. Okay, very good. ठीक है, children. So today we have finished this activity 2, and on Monday we will see a next topic. I think we should continue with grammar also. Grammar in the sense, first of all, now see we will see all the tenses, and then we will, after learning the tenses, then only we can study editing and omission. So you suggest me what to do. Do you want to continue with grammar, or do you want to see our next lesson? क्या करना है? कल से नेक्स्ट पीरियड से ग्रामर देखना है और नेक्स्ट लेसन स्टार्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट लेसन करेंगे. ठीक है. Okay. I will see whether how far we are lagging behind in our syllabus. अगर syllabus अपना ठीक चल रहा है तो फिर हम ग्रामर देखेंगे. अगर syllabus थोड़ा कम है तो फिर हम next lesson देखेंगे. Okay, children, we will stop here and we will meet on Monday. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.